Greetings everyone! On this Mother's Day, I decided to pen down my feelings for my mother in the form of a poem entitled My Mother, My Fear. So here I go. How afraid I am of losing you, no measure of shudder, every day a shiver. How shall I cope up to? Can't you remain forever? Who shall I pray to? What am I, you never? Every time a thank you, you have been whatever, however, whensoever. God has been so clever that He makes me ever to tighten your level so that you remain forever. I have been so clever, devoting hearts sever. But I shall keep praying, my shiver won't go away until the Almighty assures the right way, that you shall be always in my sight.
One day, someone asked me to define your mother. Do you know what I said? A person whose place can never be taken by anyone else, but she can take the place of everyone. She is the epitome of love. And God can't be everywhere, so He made mothers. And to express my love on this Mother's Day, I prepared a love box for her, which also contained a gift. So let me show you. Let's open it. You are mine. You are stupendous. You are fabulous. I'll never let you go. And this is the gift which I bought for her, 2 pair of earrings.
This real beauty is her love. And my mother is the beautiful in the world. Good morning everyone. Today I, Girish of 11A Medical from RKP Senior Secondary School. Before I start, I want to tell about the importance of the mother. Every student in this world worship Mahasaraswati for the good intelligence, and every businessman worship Mahalakshmi for the good wealth, and worship Mahakali for the good strength. But they forgot their own mother who gave birth to them. They forgot their own mother who gave birth to them. For him, she is the same Saraswati, same Lakshmi and same Kali. So worship your mother before worshipping the God.
आंखें खुले तो चेहरा मेरी माँ का हो, आंखें खुले तो चेहरा मेरी माँ का हो, आंखें बंद हो तो सपना मेरी माँ का हो। मैं मर भी जाऊं तो कोई गम नहीं, लेकिन कफन मेरी माँ का दुपट्टा हो, लेकिन कफन मेरी माँ का दुपट्टा हो। नमस्कार, मैंने यहाँ कक्षा 12वीं आर्ट्स से मातृ दिवस के इस अवसर पर माँ के लिए कुछ पंक्तियां लेकर आई हूँ और मेरी पंक्तियां कुछ इस प्रकार हैं। मैं मानती हूँ कि दुनिया का कोई रिश्ता छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता। मैं मानती हूँ कि दुनिया का कोई रिश्ता छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता, पर मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई और खड़ा नहीं हो सकता। पर मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई और खड़ा नहीं हो सकता। मेरे इंतजार में खुली आंखों से बस वही सो सकती है, कि मेरे इंतजार में खुली आंखों से बस वही सो सकती है, और मेरे दुख में मुझसे भी ज्यादा बस वही रो सकती है, और मेरे दुख में मुझसे भी ज्यादा बस वही रो सकती है। माथा चूमकर मुकद्दर बदलने का जादू बस उसी को आता है। माथा चूमकर मुकद्दर बदलने का जादू बस उसी को आता है, और उसी का हाथ है जो थर्मोमीटर से भी करेक्ट टेम्परेचर बताता है, जो थर्मोमीटर से भी करेक्ट टेम्परेचर बताता है। हिसाब लगा के देख लो, हर रिश्ते में कुछ आधा अधूरा निकलेगा, कि हिसाब लगा के देख लो, हर रिश्ते में कुछ आधा अधूरा निकलेगा। बस एक माँ का प्यार है जो संपूर्ण निकलेगा, बस एक माँ का प्यार है जो संपूर्ण निकलेगा। इस दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी एक्सप्लोरर का नाम है माँ। इस दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी एक्सप्लोरर का नाम है माँ। मांग लूं यह मन्नत फिर यही जहां मिले, फिर यही माँ मिले, फिर यही गोद मिले। कि मांग लूं यह मन्नत फिर यही जहां मिले, फिर यही माँ मिले, फिर यही गोद मिले। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Garima from class 12 arts. So you all would be aware कि what is today? Yeah, you are right, it's Mother's Day. So friends, today I am here to recite a poem on Mother's Day, and the title of my poem is Oh My Wonderful Mother. Oh my wonderful mother, you have made my life smoother. You are my guide, I always bright. You are my best teacher as you lead me like a leader. You are my best friend and our friendship will never end. I do remember I never fall ill as my mother remained with me like a Kosa will. My mother is so caring, she is so lovable and daring. Whenever I dream, she goes to the extreme and becomes supreme to fulfill my innocent dream. Oh my wonderful mother, I love you so much. I never see you free, you are the backbone of our family tree. You work for 24/7, no Sunday, no weekend. But you have made our home like a heaven. You never complain. Oh my wonderful mother, you are magnificent. Oh my wonderful mother, you are magnificent. So here my poem ends. On this Mother's Day, I request you all not to give any gift or present to your mother, but just give her that care and that respect which she deserves.
Hello everyone, today I, Nancy, am here to express my thoughts on a mother. If I talk about my mother, then she is the first real love of my life. It's true that love is blind because a mother started loving her kid before seeing her kid's face. Her love for me is unconditional and selfless. I did a lot of mistakes, both big and small, but she never stopped loving me. For me, a mother is a spiritual teacher for her baby. For me, the home is where my mom is. I love her from the bottom part of my heart. She belongs to the deepest core of my heart. And it's not only for my mother, this is for all the beautiful mothers in this world. I love you all and wish you all a very happy Mother's Day. Lots of love from my side to all the beautiful mothers in this world. Thank you and have a good day ahead.
Hello everyone, today I, Anjali, student of class +2 Arts, am here for an activity to recite the poem on Mother. Bearing the pain, she gives birth. Bearing the pain, she gives birth to bring the life on this earth. To bring the life on this earth. She does so much as a mother, rarely done by any other. Rarely done by any other. Her blessings fall down as rain. Her blessings fall down as rain. None can match them in terms of gain. None can match them in terms of gain. The heaviest burden the God has lifted. The heaviest burden the God has lifted by sending the mother the best it gifted. By sending the mother the best it gifted.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Ankit Vats from class 12th B, am here to present a sweet poem for my mother to pay her gratitude on Mother's Day. So I am with a sweet poem, so starting this. हमारे हर मर्ज की दवा होती है माँ, कभी डांटती है हमें, लगा लेती है माँ, हमारी आंखों के आंसू अपनी आंखों में समा लेती है माँ, अपने होठों की हंसी हम पर लुटा देती है माँ, हमारी खुशियों में शामिल होकर अपने गम भुला देती है माँ, रिश्तों को खूबसूरती से निभाना सिखाती है माँ, लफ्जों में जिसे बयां नहीं किया जा सकता ये ऐसी होती है माँ, भगवान भी जिसकी ममता के आगे झुक जाते हैं ऐसी होती है प्यारी माँ. At last, I want to say that love your mother, don't hurt her. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Sunny. Today I want to tell you about mother. माँ. माँ तो जन्नत का फूल है. प्यार करना उसका उसूल है. दुनिया की मोहब्बत फिजूल है. माँ की हर दुआ कबूल है. माँ को नाराज करना इंसान तेरी भूल है. माँ के कदमों की मिट्टी जन्नत की धूल है.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
Love you, Mama. Happy Mother's Day.
A very, very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Thank you and have a wonderful day.